How to fix unusual activity in Elevenlabs. The first things first, if these troubleshooting steps that I'm providing you is not working, our last resort right here is to either download a VPN for us to be able to use Elevenlabs to another region. Now from here, the first troubleshooting step that we will execute, if you're using the browser from your phone, all you have to do is to clear cache data and cookies for a specific browser that you are using for Elevenlabs. So say for example, I'm currently using Google Chrome on this specific IO right here. So for you to be able to clear it, just simply press on these three dots at the top right portion of your screen, go to delete browsing data, and you'll have to change these drop down right here to all time. Now take note that whenever you tap on delete data, all your login credentials that has been executed on the specific browser will be deleted and will automatically log you out. So you just have to make sure that you memorize all those credentials for you to be able to still log in. Now, once you've done that and still not fix the issue after refreshing the page, all you have to do is to either go to your iOS store, your Apple store, or either your Google Play Store. And from here, you just have to type in VPN. You can go ahead and use a free VPN, and you can also use your preferred VPN. So you just have to change the country or region from that VPN for you to be able to use Elevenlabs. So that's it. That's how you troubleshoot unusual activity detected in Elevenlabs.